Stop right there. You shouldn't be here.
You must not go in there. It's dangerous. Please, we have to leave.
Look, we're almost there.
It's beautiful, just like you described. I can't believe people live inside this tree.
It's incredible, isn't it? This is for you.
Oh, I don't know what to say. It's wonderful. Oh, this is absolutely breathtaking. Look at the detail.
It is incredible. Hello there. It looks beautiful out today.
It is. Come in, make yourself comfortable.
Welcome to the sanctuary. We've been expecting you. Please sign the guest book.
Anh thấy như thế là ông tên tên vậy thì người chơi ở chế. Cô anh đi về làm.
Here is the payment for the night, ma'am. It looks amazing up there.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Just follow this path up. The entrance is on the left.
The view is absolutely breathtaking from here.
Isn't it just? Please come in and make yourselves comfortable.
This is absolutely stunning. I can't believe the craftsmanship.
The view alone is worth it.
It's even better than I imagined.
For our stay.
Thank you kindly. Enjoy the forest.
It is beautiful out here.
It's so beautiful up here. I love how the lantern light contrasts with the blue mist outside.
Absolutely stunning. Look at the light coming from the window.
Imagine living all the way up there.